Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to do a cook and clean. Also in this video, I am doing a collaboration, my very first collaboration at that, with Lily of the Valley. She's such a sweetheart and she's definitely a channel you guys should be viewing. I'm going to leave her link below in the description box, and I was so happy that we decided to do this because I've never done a cook with me video, and also I really have a bad habit of cleaning after I cook. I am not gonna lie, I really don't like to clean after I cook because I get lazy, but I thought this was a perfect video to get motivated and actually cook and clean. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please check out Lily of the Valley's channel because she does a lot of videos like this as well as cleaning and some other great videos. Just look in the description box for her link. I promise you guys won't regret it. So I just decided just to keep it simple with this video. I wanted to do some chicken fajitas, which I absolutely love chicken fajitas. I love steak fajitas. I love shrimp fajitas. I just love any type of tacos. Like, that's all I love to eat. Well, not all that I love to eat, but that's one of the main foods I love to eat that I don't get tired of. And you know, it's just something simple and something yummy you guys can make, and actually it's quick and easy, so it's very yummy and easy to make. While the chicken is cooking, I decided to start washing the dishes. That way after I'm done eating, I don't have so much dishes, because it's just, dishes is like the thing that I'm constantly always doing. Dishes before dinner, dishes after dinner, dishes during like just dishes, man. Like, do you guys have the same problem? Like, all you feel like you do when you clean is dishes? I love green peppers in my chicken fajitas, so you can see me here just slicing some little slices up. I'm the only one that eats green peppers, so I don't put a lot in the fajitas. However, I don't put it in the very beginning of the cooking of the chicken because I don't like the sogginess of the pepper when it's cooked too much. So I add it into my chicken about 10 minutes before it's done. Now I love these tortillas because they are low carb, which is perfect because I am kind of on a low carb diet, except for Sundays. Those are my cheat days, and I have no shame for that. But I do love tacos, like I stated before. So I was so happy that I found low carb tortillas because now I could eat as much tacos and burritos as I want. This is when I start setting the table up, just clearing it off, wiping it down a little bit, and just doing a little buffet style type of, cleaning up, because I like to have all my stuff that I put in my burrito or my fajitas all lined up on the table so I could have it just right in front of me and just add it all to my food. You guys, I love refried beans. I love any type of beans. I love black beans. I love kidney beans. I love just beans in general. So I have to always have beans or refried beans in my fajitas. And I also have to have avocado. I love avocado. I could eat like a bunch in a day, but one a day is fine, right? I am all done with the cooking, so it's time to eat. I don't show you guys eating because I like to just watch TV. We're watching right now Parks and Recs again. So yeah, that's what we did while we were eating. As soon as we are done, that's when I start cleaning out the table and again start washing the dishes because, like I said before, I'm always washing the dishes. So I know I comment on a lot of people's videos saying like, oh, I'm watching this while I'm cleaning or I'm watching this while I'm cooking. I'm really serious about that because I do like viewing all the videos while I cook and clean. It keeps me motivated. So I thank you guys for, keeping me motivated. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And also, if you are new here from Lily's channel, welcome. I hope you guys stay and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And make sure you hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to also check out Lily's channel. I promise you guys won't regret it. She's such a great person and so sweet, and she loves to reply to everybody's comments. So let her know that I sent you, and she will greatly appreciate it. I will appreciate it. And if you guys want to do any collaborations with me, let me know in the comments below. I would love to.